Welcome to Bright Buddies. Today, we are going to learn about good manners in school. Good manners help us create a respectful, friendly, and happy environment. When we are polite, listen carefully, and show kindness, we make school a better place for everyone. Good manners start with kind words. Always remember to say please when you ask for something and thank you when someone helps you. These simple words show respect and kindness to others. Listen carefully to your teachers. When we listen, we understand our lessons better and show respect to the people who help us learn. When you have something to say, raise your hand. Raising your hand gives everyone a chance to speak and keeps the classroom calm and organized. Sharing with friends is a wonderful habit. Sharing helps us make friends and teaches us how to work together as a team. Use your indoor voice in the classroom. Speaking softly helps everyone stay focused and makes learning easier. Keep your desk neat and tidy. A clean desk helps you find your things quickly and shows that you are responsible. Always try to be helpful. Helping others creates a kind and friendly school environment. Remember to say "excuse me" when you need to move around or get someone's attention. It is a polite way to show respect. Respect other people's space. Everyone deserves to feel comfortable and safe. If you make a mistake, say sorry. Apologizing shows that you care about others' feelings and want to make things right. Always wait for your turn. Taking turns helps everyone have a fair chance and keeps things organized. After snacks, remember to clean up. Keeping the classroom clean shows responsibility. Most importantly, be kind to everyone. Kindness makes our school a happier and more welcoming place. There are also some things we should avoid. Do not shout in class. Loud voices can disturb others and make it difficult for friends to learn. Do not interrupt others. Everyone deserves a chance to share their thoughts. Do not push or shove. Pushing can hurt others and make them feel unsafe. Throwing objects can be dangerous and may damage school items. Never take someone else's things without asking. Always ask first and respect what belongs to others. See you next time on Bright Buddies.